Hey guys, so it's practically around 5:15 and it's very dark, gloomy because it's raining here in Melbourne. But we're gonna go out. Yes, we are. I know it's kind of late, but I decided to go out and go for a walk. And we're gonna go walk out there in Yarra. And it's gonna be late. It's gonna be dark, wet. It's raining, muddy, and everything else. But let's just see how we go and see if we can walk in the dark. Good luck. Let's go. Well, it's gonna be cold and dark, and we're gonna use our Osmo action to film. Yeah, see how we go. Oh, took them off now. Yeah, I think I have it. I think it's not a place. Can't get by to it. Should be that. Let the door open. Fuck. So I went for a night walk. It's freaking rainy. See all those trees up there. So yeah, it's dark. So dark. There's the river. And yeah, apparently my GoPro is low in batteries, but yeah, we're hiking. So yeah, feels nice to hike around here in the rain. Let's see what's ever behind me. It's quite dark. Yeah, it is. There we go. So, when you're out in the woods, it gets scary sometimes. Yep. Yeah. That's scary. Okay, I don't have an Insta360. But yeah. You see here. Yeah. How it looks in the dark. So, yeah, it's pretty rainy today, and yeah, see all these things. This thing looks so good. Look at those trees up there. Yeah. So, oh shit, it was just screwed up. Let's stop like that. Right there. There's a chair. Yeah. So as you can see, that brown thing there is a tree and just fell. But that now was another day. Let's go on. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's cool. So yeah, it's like sludgy shit. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go. Don't have a headlamp at the moment, but yeah, should be fine. Yeah. So yeah, batteries are running low with my light, but should be all good.